Now, hey YouTube, Lego Lizard here. Sorry there hadn't been videos in a little while. Just getting caught up in work and getting home later.
No man.
So yeah, I've just been really busy. So anyway, this should hopefully make up for it. So this video is gonna be about an update I made to a MOC that I built a little while ago. If you've been watching for a little while, you should have seen my video about a MOC I created called Bird-Brainz, made exclusively from parts from one of the 60th anniversary Lego sets. Well, I decided that he needed legs because he just looked kind of dumb without legs. So I gave him legs, and he's tall. He can barely fit in the camera. But that doesn't matter because you've seen the top part already. We're going to be focusing on the legs. Also, I gave him a hand and better joints so the arm doesn't keep falling off. Anyway, so here are his legs. As you see, they're yellow because if you didn't notice already, he's a parrot, so I tried to give him bird legs. So yeah, not much to say. Tried to go for the mechanical look. And as you can see, he has bird feet, which also helps with the stability, so it doesn't fall over as much. See, just stands. Still got the same old shield. That's the other one. Let me take it off here so you can see the arm a little better. So yeah, I gave him an arm, I gave him an actual hand. Sorry about that. So yeah, he has an actual hand. Still has the same old gun, cannon arm. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I also removed the balls that were right here, the black ones, black orbs, because that would have gotten in the way of the posability. So yeah, there's the back of the legs, or just mechanical mirror. There, mechanical mirror. Sorry, my brother's singing "Man in the Mirror." Mechanical details. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, guys, really want to build this? I guess I could do a how to build in the future. I highly doubt any of you would want to build this. I don't think it looks that cool. But yeah, so there's Bird-Brainz. Bird-Brainz, not Bird-Brainz. So yeah, I probably might change his name actually, because my dad suggested I call him Paratrooper because he's a parrot and he could be a trooper. No, okay. That's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see if I can get this guy to stand up for the final shot. And okay, bye.